What's going on, family, and welcome to my page. Listen, I am Zavi D. Morgan. I am a holistic life and business coach and business owner. And in this video, I'm going to be talking to you about why your company may need a human resource specialist, okay? Now, just to put it on out there, whether you have 1 or 10 employees or staff who operate within your business, human resources is the heart of every organization. But definitely, if your company has more than 10 employees or staff, that operate within your company, then it's about time for you to reach out to a human resource specialist. Okay, so human resources makes your business obey all local, state, and federal employment laws. That includes handling I-9 documents that prove U.S. citizenship for each one of your employees. But HR also tackles labor laws. Okay, these laws include the Family Act and Medical Leave Act, Americans with Disabilities Act, and the Fair Labor Laws Act, okay? Labor Standard Act, okay? And so oftentimes human resource specialists recruit, screen, and interview job applicants and place newly hired workers in jobs, okay? They may also happen to handle compensation and benefits, training and employee regulations. Human resource professionals also will help with developing and documenting processes such as your hiring policies and procedures. Your benefits and training, and how to terminate an employee without putting your company at risk. That's very important. So, there is no rule, again, stating that small businesses must have an HR team or a human resource manager in charge of human resource activities, but most experts recommend bringing on a full-time human resource staff member when there are at least 10 employees within your company. So if you are a small business, an entrepreneur, anyone who is operating a business, building a brand, and you need a human resource specialist, make sure you contact me. I'm your girl. I'm the woman for the job. Let me know if you need a Zavi. Peace.